Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for coming. This is Orfa the Canadian Bisdak. Today I am going to make a blueberry muffin in the pan with a cream cheese frosting. Yes. Please check the description box below for the list of ingredients. We are going to cream the butter and sugar using a wire whisk or an electric mixer if you have one until light and fluffy. The butter should be at room temperature before doing this, otherwise it would be difficult to cream the butter. After some time, the butter should look like this, creamy, light, and fluffy. Now we're gonna add 1 egg. But if you are going to double the recipe, you need to add eggs one at a time, mixing it after each addition. Then we're just going to give this a good whip until it becomes light and fluffy. Then we're gonna add the milk and the vanilla flavoring. As you can see, the butter is curdling. That's because the milk is cold, but it is not a thing to worry about. Now it is time to add the flour, the salt, and the baking powder. The blueberries has to be added before we are going to mix the dry ingredients and the buttercream. This is to ensure that the blueberries will be evenly mixed into the batter. If you're going to add the blueberries after you mix the dry ingredients and the buttercream, it would be very difficult to mix the blueberries properly and evenly. This batter is very thick. Do not add any water or anything. Just continue the process of folding and cutting or cut and fold until the mixture is fully incorporated. This batter is meant to be thick, so just be careful that we don't pop the blueberries. As you can see, it is coming together nicely. So when you take the batter up, it should not drop just like this. That means it is the right consistency and it is ready for cooking. I am using a cast iron skillet. It should be preheated and greased. If you're going to do this in the oven, your oven must be preheated first before you are going to put the muffin in. So I am going to cook this in a low-medium heat for about 6 to 8 minutes or maybe 10. It all depends on how thick the batter is. The lid has a steaming hole on the sides and on the top, so I covered it with a foil paper so that the heat will not escape during cooking. So you do not have to flatten the batter when you put it in, because as it cooks, it eventually goes down a little bit. It's beautiful. It looks like pancake. Yes, but no, it's not a pancake mixture. It is a muffin mixture. So that's why it's muffin in the pan. And here it is. It's done, 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 done. My mouth has been watering. So we're gonna set this aside and we're going to make the cream cheese frosting. So with these few extra ingredients and extra effort, this will bring our blueberry muffin into the next level. The cream cheese frosting is very easy to make. It is made of butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar, milk, and lemon juice. That is all there is to it to take this muffin into the next level. I can't wait. My mouth has been watering. Oh my goodness. Try first. I think I'm gonna choose this one. So there you go. Instead of honey or maple syrup, we are eating this with cream cheese frosting. Oh ho ho ho! Look at that. good, guys. You gotta try it. Very addictive, my friends. I want a little bit more of frosting. Yeah. And if you see, blueberries all the way around. Yeah. It melts in your mouth, really. And also I put some on the cupcake molder. Yes. Let's see. But of course it is the same. But it's just that the look is different, but the taste is the same. See that blueberry? Woohoo! Stay away. There you go. It is loaded with blueberries. So moist. Now let's try adding a frosting to it. Let's see if it's the same with the one in the pan. Oh my gosh.
I want some. Can I have some cake? Cake, Mama?
1 second, baby. So that is it for today, everyone, and I hope to see you next time in my next video. If you like this video of mine, please do give me some thumbs up. And if you're not my subscriber yet, and if you want to support me, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my uploads. So I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.